Okay, so this second video is going to be where we do our fins. And you could see I already have that 3-inch line up here. This is the distance between here and here is 3 inches. You can see it's always a good idea to double check. Okay, we're also going to do a 3-inch line going down on this side, but we're going to stop here because our fin on this side is also 3 inches wide. So we're going to measure from 3 to 0. Okay, you could also hold your ruler in this orientation if you wanted to, but you have to measure from 0 to 3. So that would work also. And then 3 to 0 here. Okay. And I'm just gonna, I don't need this line to go all the way down, so we're just gonna have it go down to about just above where my name is. Remember, it's a construction line, nice light line. Okay, and then we're gonna, now here each fin is 3 inches wide, but it's also 3 inches deep. And when we do the air scoop, which goes in here, the air scoop also has to be 3 inches deep. So we're gonna measure, I'm gonna turn my paper, and we're gonna measure, the main body panel's over here. We're gonna measure 3 inches, because we want a 3-inch line down this way. So there's gonna be 3 inches in from that edge, down this way. Put a dot. Put a dot. And put another dot here. And then we're going to connect those dots down this way. Nice light construction line all the way down. Okay. You'll notice when I make my lines, I always hold my ruler with my whole hand. I don't hold it in one spot. Because if I push with my pencil along the ruler, and I'm not holding it in one location, more than one location, it'll pivot. So this keeps the ruler straight while I draw that line. So I'm going to turn the paper back in this direction. So these are my fins. I can mark that just so I remember. Okay, and I'm just going to label here. The air scoop is not made yet, but this is just a reminder. This is where I'm going to put it. Okay. Okay, so this is my fin and my other fin. Okay, we're going to measure 1/2 inch in. Now these little, if you look at the layout, you've got these 1/2 inch pieces that pop out from the edges there. So we're going to measure 1/2 inch on the edge. Notice I'm just putting it right on the edge of my paper. You can barely see that. And then you want to measure 1/2 inch. I'm just going to erase this line here. You don't need that. You're going to measure 1/2 inch up from this edge here. Mark that with your pencil. You don't have to measure the angle or anything. You're just going to take these 2 dots and connect them, and that'll make the outer edge of your fins. It's hard to kind of look at both dots at the same time. Okay. So I don't need this line anymore. So you can either just leave it, but I like to erase them because then I don't forget that I'm not supposed to use that line for cutting. And then measure another. You're going to do the other fin the same way in mirrored fashion. Oh, what did I do just here? Okay, sorry, my bad. Measure 1/2 inch in from the edge here, and then 1/2 inch up from this bottom edge of the fin here. And then you're going to connect those to make the outer edge of the fin. There we go. So there's my second fin. I'm going to erase that. Okay, now I'm going to stop here and then I'll show you the air scoop in the next video.